Moon Palace Cancun, all-inclusive, is set in Cancun. Steps from the beach and rooms include a two-person spa bar. It features a full-service spa and a 27-hole golf course designed by Jack Nicklaus. Every room includes a flat-screen satellite TV. All rooms offer a mini bar, a liquor dispenser and a private balcony. Moon Palace Cancun features 2 lagoon-style outdoor pools. It also features a state-of-the-art gym and a children's pool. Guests also enjoy a wave simulator. Beauty treatments and a spa are on-site. On-site car rental services and a travel agency can help guests at Moon Palace Cancun to explore the area. Shops, restaurants and entertainment are nearby. Guests at Moon Palace Cancun can dine at any of the 15 different restaurants and 12 bars, and 24-hour room service is available. At the property you will also find the Noir Disco Club, the Wired Lounge Arcade, bars and 2 children's play areas. Guests have free access to the Moon Palace Cancun, all-inclusive sister hotels in Cancun, Cozumel and Isla Mujereza. Except Le Blanc and the Grand at Moon Palace.